Hey y'all, iRix Guy here, and I want to talk about how I clean my iPhone, and I'm just using the iPhone XR. And you know, it is worth mentioning, you know, don't do this if you feel that it's unsafe, because it could damage your phone. But what I've been doing is I've been using just a disinfectant wipe that's supposedly safe for electronic devices, and I've wiped it down thoroughly, not just the front, but obviously the case and everything, and the side buttons, and every part of it, because potentially, especially with viruses going around, if you know what I mean, those could exist on any of the surfaces, the case, the phone itself. So I've done that. What I've also done is, you know, after I've used that disinfecting wipe, is I've gone through with my hands with soapy fingers, and I've just kind of rubbed a little bit of soap and warm water on there, and then, you know, gotten some warm water without soap and kind of rubbed it until everything comes off, and then I dry it with a paper towel. Now I do have a screen protector, so I'm not touching the screen itself. But you know, that's something that I've done, because obviously, you know, you may not think about it, but if you're putting your phone to your face and it's got virus on it, that's not good, because that's the same as, you know, touching your face, touching your nose, touching your eyes, your mouth, whatever. And for that reason, I don't even use, even when I keep my phone I feel that it's very clean, I don't even use my phone. I've got a you know, little earbud, AirPods, and I use that, so I never put my phone you know, close to my face. But that's important, because, you know, a lot of people may not think about cleaning their phone, and you know, the phone is something that, you know, even if you set it down on a surface, you know, maybe you paid for food or something and then you touched your phone, well, now your phone's got the virus on it. If you touch other surfaces and then touched your phone, that can be transferred to the phone. So, you know, just something super important to do if you want to have the possibility of possibly better preventing the you know, the spread of a virus, because I mean, it can get on electronics. So hope this video is of value. Again, you know, be careful with your phone, because, you know, different phones have different water resistance properties and this, that, and the other. So, you know, I'm using the iPhone XR, and that's what I've done. And again, if it destroys the phone, I'm completely prepared for that to happen, because, you know, I'd rather sacrifice my phone than my own health. You know, if this had virus on it, you know, I'm going to remain vigilant about cleaning my phone. So tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRix Guy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do, to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.